Welcome to this new RAWSTER photo video tutorial. Today we're gonna talk about a cityscape photo where I include people, and that's a bit different than most cityscape photographers do, but it actually can improve your photos. So have fun watching this video and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. And you also really help us by sharing this video with your photography friends. So if you like this video, please share it. Thank you. Cityscape photography is mostly done by photographers that don't like to shoot people in general, and that doesn't apply to every photographer, of course, but what you often see in cityscape photos is that there are no people, and of course people belong to a city. And I have to admit, I shot cityscapes for many years, and I was the most patient person to wait until all the people disappeared, and that was my moment to take the photo. So that's what I did for years. One thing I figure out is when I start selling my photos is that the most successful photos I sold, yes, of course they were without people at that time, because I only had photos without people. But those photos are very easy to copy. So once another photographer finds out that the photo sells really well, they just can go to the same place and create the same or a similar photo, a look-alike photo. Once you start including people in a frame, it gets different. In this case, it is just a cyclist here in the front. Not super special, but sometimes very special people pass by, and that makes the photo more unique right away. And I talk a lot in my videos about creating more unique photos, and this is one way to do that. Shoot that famous skyline once again, but now not without people, but include some people or a boat. And for this photo, actually I found the spot where I wanted to take the photo pretty easy, but I was just waiting for the right person to pass by. Sometimes people were walking, sometimes groups of people were walking, but that looked a little bit too messy because the silhouette you get, it's different people that overlaps each other. So I was really waiting for that one person that passed by, or in this case by bicycle, and I was just waiting, shooting, and I think it took me about 15 to 20 minutes to take this photo in the end. And I'm really happy with it because it gives this cityscape photo a different feeling, and in general it always works well, and people tend to like photos better when people are included. So this was a tip of this video. Don't always wait until all people disappear in your photo. Of course, if a square is full with a lot of tourists that take photos, that's maybe not the right type of people to include in your frame, although it can be very funny, of course. But after you've taken a photo without people, try to think like, what if I include one person? Will that improve the photo? And maybe you don't know the answer right away, just try it out, and in the end you will figure out if that's the type of photography you like. Hopefully you learned something new. Please like this video if you learned something new, and don't forget to share this tip with all your friends. Did you like this photography video? Please like this video and check out our recommended video for more tips.